Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today we're gonna be opening mini brands. ASMR. So let's open it. Inside there are 3 balls with 5 surprises. So in total there's 15 mini brand things. And we found the fridge that comes with it. We found it at Costco. And we were so excited because it's famous. So now I'm just opening up the box and getting the balls out. Right now, we're gonna get the fridge out. Also, in the mini things, there are like food, drinks, ice cream, and you can change the light in the fridge. There's a UV light and then LED lights. Also, now let's just open it, and there are these food you can make that's inside the fridge, and you can make it and then it will become a food. On the cover you see that there is I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's a cake, and you can make it and put it in the fridge. I'm so excited to see what's inside. And let's just open the fridge. Sadly there aren't any other colors, so yeah. It's a bluish color. And I guess it's just like so sealed that you can't really open it. So, and there's an on and off button inside the fridge, and the LED light or the UV light is on the back. And I think that there's two parts in the fridge. One is the fridge, and then on the bottom is the refrigerator. There are and when you close it, it's like the light's not on, and when you open it, the lights are on. That's what I figured out when I opened it. And you can get lots of stuff in those mini ball things. So yeah. And you can collect a bunch and fill the whole fridge, which is nice. And I just opened it. So nice. And there are clearly stuff inside, which are the shelves for like each. And you can collect ice. You can get an ice from one of the ball things, and that's one of the rare items you can have. And those are just the shelvings. I just put there are 3 levels: the very top, the middle, and then the bottom. And then the bottom, there's like a drawer that you can open and put some stuff inside. That's a shelf for ice cream and stuff, frozen foods. And just open it, and those are the shelves for egg and stuff. And then you can put condiments on the side. Just cut everything. And that's in the fridge. And and inside the ball there are one magnet that you can put on the fridge. There's like lots you can collect, and yeah. So also you can collect like a lobster and other stuff. ASMR. ASMR. And then yeah, there are a bunch of shelves, but oh yeah, that pancake looking thing you can make with resin, the bottle. And then there's like fruits that come with it that you can put as the toppings. And yes, I guess the one I just opened is fruits for the pancake thing. And
oranges.
Yeah, it's really tiny because it's mini. Because then if you use the big ones, then it wouldn't really fit in the fridge. Olipop, Ramoon, Hershey peanut butter, pizza from Pizza Hut, and then you can put it anywhere in the fridge you'd like. So yeah. And then in the one I just opened, there is Olipop, 2 different flavors, a watermelon magnet that goes on the fridge. It can make it really nice. That's a bread to do chocolate ice cream. That's an ice cream shovel that goes with the ice, which you can get in one of the ball things. And you see that the lights can open, which is really cool. And yes, and there is instructions where to put the shelves. Like, I was confused, so then I just looked at the menu, the instructions, and I knew where to put them. Now I'm just putting in the shelves. So nice. And I can put the drinks, the lollipop, pizza, and then the ice cream on the refrigerator. And yes.
Oh wait, that is right. I did it. Lahat ng ama. Wait, I need a hair tie. Nice. Bro, I didn't get the whip. Bro. Yes, I got the cake. I have 2 of the cakes. Pause the photo. Oh, look, Dada. Look at this. Ice cream. I got this last time. Tea. Wait. Kombucha. No kombucha. Clock it. Tea. Pass the food. Your ref is wood now.